In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your web browser, whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac. Refreshing your browser might seem like a small action, but it's an incredibly useful tool that's quick and easy to execute. Refreshing can help get the most recent version of a web page, clear up minor bugs, and ensure that any updates to a website are displayed immediately. So, let's dive right in and learn how to do this on both operating systems. If you are using a Windows computer, the simplest way to refresh your browser is by using the F5 key. So, whenever you're browsing and you feel the need for a refresh, just reach up on your keyboard and give F5 a press. This action will instantly reload the page you're viewing. It's handy when you need to see real-time data, such as stock prices or sports scores, as it quickly fetches the up-to-date information from the website. Now, sometimes you might not have easy access to the function keys, perhaps because you're using a new device layout or a compact keyboard. No worries. You have another option that involves pressing two keys together, the Control key, often labeled as Control, and the letter R. By holding down Control and then pressing R, you'll achieve the exact same refresh result as hitting F5. This is particularly useful for those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts that involve both hands, or simply want an alternative to F5. Switching gears a bit, Mac users have a slightly different method. If you're working on a Mac, the refresh action is achieved by pressing Command and R simultaneously. The Command key is usually located next to the spacebar, often labeled as CMD. Pressing these two keys together will refresh your web page, bringing in the latest updates available from the site. It's a straightforward and efficient way to keep your browsing experience smooth and current. Just to emphasize the convenience of these shortcuts, they work across different web browsers. Whether you're using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge, these instructions remain the same. Refreshing your browser is not only helpful when you need updated content, but it's also beneficial for troubleshooting minor display issues. Sometimes, web pages might not load correctly or fully, and a quick refresh can solve this problem often due to temporary network glitches or website updates. To wrap things up, refreshing your web browser is a simple yet powerful tool for keeping your browsing efficient and up to date. Remember, F5 or Control plus R for Windows and Command plus R for Mac. I hope this tutorial helps enhance your browsing routine, providing you with an effortless way to keep all your web pages current and bug-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tricks.